Hey guys, this is Amjaved with another tutorial of how we can record our computer or laptop screen with the help of VLC Player. Now just open the VLC Player and then go to Media in the menu and then select the option named Open Capture Device. It will open a small window and you need to be on the Capture Device tab. Then in the capture mode options, select the desktop option. Then change the frame rate if you want, let's say 25 or 30 something. Then click on this drop down and select Convert. Here you can select the quality of the video. There are many choices you can choose from, and since I am recording this to upload on YouTube, so I am keeping the same with the HD quality it has suggested. And then give the file name and select the folder or place where you want to save it. And for convenience, I am saving it on the desktop. Then hit save and then hit start. Now it has started to record your computer or laptop screen. And to stop the recording, just close the VLC player. And here is the file we have just recorded. Let's play it to see how it looks. Definitely the quality is good. And the problem of recording your computer screen with VLC Player is that it does not show the cursor, which lead to the inconvenience where exactly it has been clicked. And I do hope that the VLC developers will add this functionality soon so that the cursor can be seen clearly while capturing the device screen. And if you know that how we can show the cursor while capturing the device, please let me know in the comments. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.